Bindamadavi vs Navadip comparison video. Real name Bindamadavi is Bindamadavi. Navadip is Navadip Pallapolu. Nickname Bindamadavi is Bindu. Navadip is Navadip Tinku. Date of birth Bindamadavi is 14 June 1986. Navadip is 26 January 1986. Age Bindamadavi is 39 years. Navadip is 39 years. Birthplace Bindamadavi is Madanapalli, Andhra Pradesh. Navadip is Hyderabad, Telangana. Profession Bindamadavi is actors. Navadip is actor, host. Height Bindamadavi is 5 feet 6 inches. Navadip is 5 feet 9 inches. Weight Bindamadavi is 60 kilograms. Navadip is 75 kilograms. Education Bindamadavi is graduate in biotechnology. Navadip is graduate. Famous for Bindamadavi is Avakai Biryani movie. Navadip is Jai movie. Year active Bindamadavi is 2008. Navadip is 2004. Debut movie Bindamadavi is Avakai Biryani movie. Navadip is Jai movie. Debut television Bindamadavi is Mughals television serial. Navadip is Super Show. Marital status Bindamadavi is unmarried. Navadip is unmarried. Total movies Bindamadavi is 25 movies. Navadip is 45 movies. Religion Bindamadavi is Hindu. Navadip is Hindu. Nationality Bindamadavi is Indian. Navadip is Indian. Zodiac sign Bindamadavi is Cancer. Navadip is Aquarius. Hobbies Bindamadavi is traveling, reading books. Navadip is reading books, driving. Instagram followers Bindamadavi is 1.1 millions. Navadip is 873k. YouTube followers Bindamadavi is not available. Navadip is not available. Facebook followers Bindamadavi is 23.3 lakhs. Navadip is 8.4 lakhs. Twitter followers Bindamadavi is 1.2 lakhs. Navadip is 5.33 lakhs. Do like and subscribe. Comment your favorite.